How to fix slow camera shutter delay on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix slow camera shutter delay on Android. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do to fix this delay is you'll need to disable power saving modes. So if you have any power saving mode turned on, you'll need to turn it off. For that, go to your settings, locate your settings app, and then tap on it. After you're there, you'll need to go to your battery settings, tap on it, and now you will see the battery saver option or power saver option. So tap on it and turn it off if you've turned it on. So this being turned on restricts performance, which might result in the shutter delay. After that, you might want to go back to your settings, then tap on your apps, then tap on see all apps, and then find camera. So search for camera and then open it up, and then tap on your storage and cache. Clear out your cache from your camera, and you can clear out your storage as well. This does not delete any photos, so this will basically reset your settings. After that, you'll need to make sure that you have enough storage space available in the device. For that, go to the storage option on your settings. So do that, and after you've done that, if you have enough space as well, now after you've deleted the cache and data, that will turn off any features such as HDR, scene optimizer, motion photo, and grid lines. So you can do that manually as well, but after doing that, your problem should be fixed. If not, you might want to check for any software updates available and update your device's software. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.